Hey, relax, buddy. We're gonna go out soon, okay? Alright, so like I was just saying, I gotta go take my dogs out really quick. So let's make this video fast. It is gonna be a beater box episode. $825. Stay tuned, it's coming up next.
Hey, lace 'em up, lace 'em up, lace 'em up, lace 'em. Blue suede shoes stay crispy like bacon. Nikes on my feet make my cipher complete. I stay shining like the lights on the street.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with your favorite series, this beater box series. This beater box is going to be $825, right in that sweet spot of where we want to be in terms of good value. At least that's what we've seen from previous boxes. So hopefully it kind of stays true where I at that 700 to 900 range is ultimately the best range for what I feel like is return on my investment. So yeah, hopefully, I mean, fingers crossed. We got to see. That last box wasn't so hot. A lot of you guys didn't think it was so great. If you guys want to check out that video though, it is going to be somewhere up here somewhere. Anyway, look out for that. Check out that video. But for this video, let's get into it. $825. Let's see what we got. It's gonna be interesting. I mean, I don't see anything crazy in here, so that's, I don't know, let's see. First thing we got is a Saucony. This one is a weird box that I've never seen before. Kind of interesting. Has a VHS on it. Looks like a tape recorder, but it does look like it's a collab shoe with the Goodwill out. So yeah, Shadow 5000, size 10.5. And is this dead stock? It looks used. It is used. But this is kind of a cool shoe. It's got like television vibes over here. If you guys know back in the old day what that looked like. Has like that play, record, all of that stuff from a VHS, which, yeah, like I said, you guys probably don't know what that is. But yeah, it's a pretty clean model, man. I don't mind this at all. I might end up keeping this actually. It's a 10.5. Not a bad design. It would actually go really nice with the North Face Technical Difficulties Nupsy that they made with extra butter, I believe. So that'd be kind of cool. Anyway, this is not a bad shoe. Probably gonna end up keeping this one. All right, so keeping it rolling. Next shoe out of the box is a size 8 Nike Flyknit trainer. All right, so these are in dead stock condition. And yeah, these are a pair of like those Oreo Flyknit trainers. Not much to say here. There's actually pretty decent resale value on these though. And obviously if it's a dead stock shoe, it's not going to be hard to move at all. So feeling this is really dope. See, and that's not a bad start. You don't necessarily need Jordans or Yeezys every single time to get value. I'm sure it's not crazy value over here, but a dead stock shoe is always good because it moves very quickly. So always a good sign. This one is an Air Max 90 Premium in a size 11. I'm gonna be straight with you guys. I have no idea what Air Max this is. It says King of the Mountain on the back. I'm not sure if this is a dope collab shoe or something like that. It is wild though when you look at it. It's got like a snakeskin kind of texture over here. A lot of colors, man. It looks like Boise State. I think that's how you pronounce it, whatever. Anyway, it does have like Boise State vibes with that orange blue look. So kind of cool, man. I got a lot of friends that go up there, so not bad. Unfortunately, they can't fit a size 11. I gotta go look this one up after. I gotta figure out what collab that is. Oh man, this box is super weird. Okay, so the next couple shoes look like very GR shoes. So far, I might have to retract my statement about how I feel about this box because I don't know about this. Like, look at this. Next one out is a New Balance. New Balance obviously don't go for a lot of money. This one is in a size 10.5. No idea about New Balance, guys. I'm not even gonna guess. I don't know at all. But yeah, I'm sure it doesn't go for a lot of money. And to continue our streak of weird New Balance boxes, that's one. Here's another one, size 10. Oof. Alright, so these are kind of interesting. I don't know what these are called either. They're pretty dirty, but I feel like the colorway is not so bad at all. Gotta go do some research on this though. I have no idea what it is. 2 New Balance. Interesting. Actually, let's make that 3 New Balance. Very interesting. This one is in the size 10.5. I guess somebody sold their New Balance collection to Supremacy and they threw it all into one box. Because all of the sizes are about the same and they're a very obscure shoes, man. I don't know what this one is either. It's highlighted by like a lot of purple. I don't know, man. It's a lot of purple. It's a lot of blue. Yeah, New Balance. They're kind of clunky, which is why I'm not... See what I mean? They're kind of clunky, which is why I'm not really a fan of them. But I know a lot of you guys are into New Balance, and it's not a bad shoe, like I said. It's just in terms of what we're doing here, in terms of hype, in terms of like reselling, it's not a good market right now. So that's what I mean when I'm saying it's not a great shoe. Don't take it personal, guys. New Balance. There's a couple New Balance shoes that I don't mind. So yeah, that's how it goes. To round it out though, we actually have a 4th New Balance, but this one is in kind of a premium looking box. So it says N New Balance, so it's a collab shoe with N Clothing. Okay, so these ones are used as well, and I mean they do kind of have a premium vibe to it. The leather on here is actually pretty high quality. It says New Balance made in England on the tongue, if you guys can see that. Not sure how much these go for. The box is nice, the colors aren't bad, it's neutral. Overall, again, New Balance, like I said, don't go for too much. So very much wondering if any of those are actually super hyped and I'm just been bypassing them and didn't realize like, hey, you're holding a grail. But again, it's New Balance, which I don't do market research on, so it's like, I don't know. If I passed it, I passed it. We do have 2 shoes left in here though. This one is a Nike Air Force 1, so size 9.5. I don't know why it's blacked out right there though. That's kind of weird. Oh boy, oh boy. I don't know. Is this hype, guys? Is this hyped? It doesn't seem hyped at all. It's an interesting shoe. Got like Technicolor vibes up there. Other than that, I don't see any markings on here that like denote if it's a collab shoe or anything like that. So we'll find out. You guys probably see it on the screen over here, but it does look like it's a replacement box because this one is a size 10 and the box said 9.5. But yeah, we'll see what the value is on that. Last shoe in the box. It's a very, very weird box, guys. These are a pair of Vans Off the Walls, which we've never got Vans before in a box, but it's a collab with Supreme. So let's see what we got here. Is this really a Supreme Vans? I didn't, yeah, right there it says Off the Wall Supreme. So I don't even know if these go for a lot of money, but yeah, that's the last shoe in the box. So pretty standard Vans. Man, where was the value in this box? I have no idea, like looking back on it. Hopefully one of those New Balance or whatever is the one that was like the money shoe, but I didn't really see what the money shoe was, or it just completely like eluded me. So very interesting box. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, because I have zero idea what happened in this box, man. To me it seems like a dud, but I have no idea. Maybe this value is super huge and I'm just like gonna look at it later when I'm editing and be like, whoa, we made a lot of money here. Or I'm gonna look at it and be like, dang, we got screwed. Either or, I don't know, man. You guys saw it. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments below though. And I'm sure a lot of these will be up on the web store as well, so check that out when they're uploaded, hopefully in like 24 to 48 hours. So thank you guys again for watching. This has been another episode of the Beater Box series with Untied Hawaii. Until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots.